What if your C-sharp Blazor app could generate AI images and even create personalized visuals using data from your own C-sharp tools? If you're a C-sharp developer who wants to build real generative AI apps without getting stuck in Python-first tutorials, this course is for you. In mastering ChatGPT and OpenAI API with C-sharp, you'll learn how to connect your C-sharp applications to OpenAI and build a working .NET 8 Blazor web app powered by GPT. You'll master two approaches. First, call OpenAI API directly using HttpClient so you understand every parameter. Then use the official OpenAI .NET library to speed up real-world development. We'll deep dive into the chat completion API, including streaming versus non-streaming responses, key parameter tuning, and the best practices you can apply immediately. Then you'll unlock a game-changing feature, Tool Calls. So, GPT can safely trigger your own custom C# methods to fetch data, run logic, or generate personalized images. No Python, no vague demos, just practical step-by-step C# projects. Join the course today and start building real GenAI apps in .NET.